Welcome DataStatPro. Most survey platforms help you collect data. But what happens after data collection? Researchers often spend hours exporting responses, cleaning datasets, translating multilingual responses, preparing variables for analysis, and moving data between multiple software applications. DSP Surveys was built to solve this problem. DSP Surveys is not just a survey builder. It is a complete survey management and analytics ecosystem that connects data collection directly with statistical analysis. Create professional surveys from scratch or choose from ready-to-use templates for research, public health, employee engagement, customer feedback, and many other applications. Design surveys using more than 20 question types, share them through public links and QR codes, and collect responses in multiple languages. One of the most powerful features is AI-assisted bulk translation. Instead of translating hundreds of survey elements one by one, DSP Surveys allows you to export all translatable content, translate it using AI, and import everything back in seconds. Another unique capability is response unification. Respondents can complete surveys in different languages while responses remain organized in a single standardized dataset. Unlike Google Forms, DSP Surveys generates analysis-ready datasets. Responses can be edited in spreadsheet mode, exported with metadata and variable dictionaries, or attached directly to the DataStatPro statistical analysis ecosystem without manual data preparation. This means you can move seamlessly from survey design to data collection, statistical analysis, visualization, and reporting, all within a single platform. DSP Surveys isn't just another survey tool. It's a complete research workflow designed for researchers, educators, healthcare professionals, institutions, and organizations that need more than data collection. Let's dive in. Visit DataStatPro.com, log in or sign up, and click the Open App button at the top right to launch the app. From the app's left sidebar, select DSP Surveys from the list of core features. From the DSP Surveys landing page, click Open Survey Builder to access the survey management system. The top navigation bar of the survey management system serves as the central hub for building new surveys, managing existing ones, editing surveys, and previewing them before full launch. The Survey Administration panel helps users manage, list, find, and get an overview of the entire survey management system. Users can choose to show or hide the survey list, and can also hide the left app sidebar to expand the working area of the survey management system. The right tab panel serves as the main area for managing the survey you've chosen from the list of available surveys. The core settings include survey title, description, ending page, sharing permissions, public link, QR code generation, display mode for survey for respondents, and many other common survey administration features. Survey admins can click the Open Link button to preview the final survey appearance and make necessary adjustments. Then copy and share the survey link with stakeholders to collect responses. Survey navigation for users can be adjusted in question by question, section by section, or all questions at once style. Let's select a different survey from the existing list, such as the Employee Engagement Survey or the Test Survey. And notice how the right panel updates instantly with each change. So far, we've covered pre-built surveys. So now let's learn how to create a new one. Users can start with a completely blank survey or choose from pre-built templates such as Public Health Survey, Research Baseline Questionnaire, Customer Feedback, Employee Engagement Survey, and Event Feedback Survey, with more templates coming soon. For demonstration, let's select the Event Feedback Survey. Fill the survey title and description. You can also optionally define survey start and end date if applicable. After filling in the necessary information and clicking the Create Survey button, the new Event Feedback Survey appears in the survey list in draft mode. Click Open to launch the Survey Builder, where you'll see all survey questions, each fully editable. You can modify, add, or delete questions as needed, and edit question settings either directly on the canvas or via the Write Properties panel. Use the preview icon on any question to see how it will appear to respondents. With over 20 question types, including text, numeric, single choice, multiple choice, scale, matrix, Likert scale, formula, file, signature, and more, you can efficiently collect responses. Let's look at the different question types in fast-forward mode. A comprehensive logic builder for conditional surveys will be covered in a separate video. After making necessary changes, click on Preview button to preview the survey. Survey can be previewed in question by question, section by section, or all questions at once mode. Users can change the feel and look of the survey by change the theme of survey. One of the most promising features is multilingual surveys. Surveys can be created in multiple languages, yet their responses can be unified in any single language. Let's choose Arabic for instance and go to Survey Builder. After adding additional language, user can see areas to provide translations in Properties panel. Here, translation of each and every element of the question can be added. For shorter surveys, question-by-question translation is feasible, but for large surveys, it may take hours. A magical workflow is designed to overcome this problem, the bulk translation feature. Click on Bulk Translation button. As you can see in the bulk translation editor, all elements requiring translation are extracted from the entire survey. For this survey, there are 116 elements that need translation, which is still a significant amount of work. To solve this problem, we can use AI assistance. Let's export the complete bulk translation data into .json format. Open the save.json code in Notepad and copy the entire code. Open your preferred AI chat. I am using Google Gemini, and use the prompt. Translate the target fields into Arabic in the following .json code. Then paste the copied .json code below the prompt and let the AI translate it. Translation may take a few seconds. Once complete, copy the translated code, replace the old code you downloaded from the bulk translation editor, save the file, and return to the bulk translation editor. Now import the same .json file you updated with AI translation and see the magic. All the translations are instantly inserted into their relevant boxes. Close the bulk translation editor. Congratulations, you have successfully converted your survey into a bilingual survey. More translations can be added in the same way. Language Switcher can be used to switch between available languages. So far, we have covered 3 things. 1. How to operate existing surveys from the survey list. 2. How to create a new survey from templates. And 3. How to make a survey multilingual using the bulk translation feature. Now, let's move to the 4th part. How to create a new survey from scratch. Click on New Survey and then Blank Survey. Define the survey title. The survey description, open at, and close at fields are optional. After creating a new survey titled My First Survey, it becomes visible in the survey list. Click Open Builder to access the survey builder, where you'll see one default question, what is your name? You can keep this question if needed, or delete it and start adding questions according to your requirements. Click the Add Question button, then choose the type and style that best engages your respondents. There are more than 20 question types divided into different sections. Let's start with the first simple question type, short text. You can edit the field directly from the survey canvas. Double-click to activate text editing and write the question, such as, "What is your name?" or use the right-hand properties panel. Click the Add Question button to add another question, this time choosing the single choice type. Change the question text to your gender and use the Right Properties panel to define the categories, male and female, as well as how many categories should appear per row. Click Preview icon to preview the question. Adjust the orientation of the gender categories by changing the option number of categories per row. Add another question using the numeric type, for example, "What is your weight?" and adjust properties such as guiding text and range checks to control the display and ensure accurate responses. You have successfully created a new survey from scratch. Now click the Settings tab and open the link. It will show a survey not found error because we haven't activated the survey for the public. Go back to the Settings tab and click the Activate button. Users can easily pause and resume surveys anytime. After activating, try the link again. You can also change the display mode. Let's choose All at Once. The survey link is now open to the public, and since we made this survey bilingual, both languages are available on the public survey link. Now fill out the survey as a respondent in fast-forward mode. Then review how the responses are stored and used for further analysis. Go back to Survey Management and notice the Responses tab. It now shows 1, meaning this survey has successfully stored 1 response. You can edit individual responses or even bulk edit survey data in a spreadsheet-like mode. Let's do another run in fast-forward mode, this time filling out the survey in Arabic. Go to the Responses tab again. You'll now see the second response as well. Then open the Bulk Edit feature to view both responses in a spreadsheet-like view for editing. Let's discuss another powerful feature, Export and Attach. DSP Surveys offers 2 export formats, Analysis-Ready Variables and Raw Responses. Raw responses provide a Google Forms-like export, which often introduces hassles for data analysis, while the analysis-ready format is a transformed version of raw data, ready for immediate analysis. Data can be exported in a variety of formats, including Excel. Let's export it and open the data. The exported file comes with 3 sheets: responses, metadata, and variables dictionary. Another feature that makes DSP Surveys so unique is its ability to attach data to DataStatPro's comprehensive analysis ecosystem. Simply click Attach Data, and boom, your data is now available in the DataStatPro workspace, ready for analysis. In the Survey Management panel, the Team tab allows you to share and collaborate with any other DSP Surveys user by granting read-only, editor, or response manager access. Every feature is crafted based on practical needs. We'll explore them one by one in other videos. Bye for now, and see you in another informative video from DataStatPro.